Hey everybody, here's the unboxing of Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3D. This is a special edition as Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray, and I'm not sure if that's all. Here it is. Take it as a slipcover. Slipcover is very nice. I got this at Walmart. You can see that it bumps out some on parts. It's very cool. I'm not sure if that's just at Walmart or not, but that's where I got that from. You get the Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray, and DVD and all in here. Open it up, and this isn't good. It seems like maybe the one's missing. I don't think they're all on one disc. Let's check this out. Looks like maybe the DVD is missing. This one is, that's the Blu-ray right here. That's kind of odd. I don't know what to do about that, but the Blu-ray one is more important to me anyway. Bonus features, alternate opening scene, making of Texas. Quite a bit on there. I haven't seen this movie yet. I wanted to see it in theaters, but I didn't get to before it went out. Alright, thanks for watching everybody.